Yeah, are you there? Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah. Set up everything is ready in your machine. Okay.
No, everything has to get ready.
This is the first step. First, download this source tool. Okay.
Which one?
I given in chat. You can see that. Click the link. Okay, it will open.
Okay.
Right. So next will be for the database side. Will be for the MySQL. Okay. So if you go to your MySQL workspace, will be there, right? So you can click the download.
Okay.
Uh, it will ask like what is your dev.mysql workspace. You will get the link for the Windows 62 and 32/64-bit. Okay. Uh, so choose your version, exact version, and download this workspace. Okay. This is one tool. Okay.
Always there is
Uh,
no 64.
and the other will be
Always there
it
is
will
no
be there. You
64.
can check it. It's there. This is MySQL workspace 5.22. Microsoft Cloud. One. You will get everything before this. Okay.
Okay.
There. We have to choose the option here. Microsoft does latest version. Okay. Uh, the next will be the so this for MySQL server. Okay.
Mm.
So we are calling as a RAM server. So you can see the option, right? 64-bit.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. And then you can click for the download directly. Okay, this option. Okay. One, two, three. All right. Okay. So first download all these tools from your environment. Okay. And do the setup. Okay. So you can able to do it, right? You can able to install like it's like very like a straight installation. We don't want any conflict at all. Just click next. That's all. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Right.
I'll try to install it. If I have any thing, I will.
Okay, fine. So this for the birth report internet. Okay, you can see that, right?
Yeah.
Here, first step, I need to make it as a create a new reporting project. Okay, go to the file report project. Okay,
Okay.
right. So here you can mention your like what's your project name. I'm mentioning like birth, Leo, okay.
Okay.
So this is my reporting project. So is there right? Birth, Leo, time, right? So after I'm creating the reports design. So like first step, I'm going to create the one report for the my first report. Okay. This is your report design. Okay. So here you can see all the components. We are calling as a parent. Okay. We have label, text box, table, chart, pie chart, bar chart, and other components also we have. Uh, and if you click the outline, this is your for the uh, certain created report architecture. Like kind of we can say report element, data source, data set for parameters, and like style sheet, theme, okay, everything there, yeah, right. So here you can see the layout, master page, script, XML source. XML source for the backend BIRT engine to generate source. Okay.
Can you
Yeah.
come again? Your voice is.
So source XML source is the like a backend is BIRT engine to generate. Okay. That is the like source code. We are not doing anything on the backend source code. Okay. So our part will be
Okay.
only designing the reports.
Okay. Okay. And can we go in means first how what the BIRT means why we will use the BIRT and what's the purpose of the things and all.
Wait, wait. First I will explain this. Then only you will understand what my theory is.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
So here you can see XML source, right? Okay.
Sorry.
So what is the report file name? You can see the report extension dot rpt is there.
Is it?
Okay. So like here we have two type of bird reporting experiment, right? So this is for open text analytics. Okay. Right. The next will be there bird Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse BIRT download. Okay. So this is also bird reporting tool. Okay.
Okay.
So open text analytics is also bird reporting tool. This is also for the bird reporting tool. You
Okay.
can see here, this is for the open source, completely free. We don't want to use any license at all. You can see the open text, okay, IBM, and the Innovent solution. Okay, these three company majorly using for the bird reporting tool. IBM
Okay.
they are using within the framework they call it the Maximo PA bird. Okay, for the report designer tool. Open text.
Okay.
So this is what I said. Open text analytic designer. This is also bird reporting tool. Okay.
Okay.
Innovent solution they are also using for the on the open source bird engine. They are using like their external framework. Okay. Uh, so this is like free. You can download. You can use this tool also. Okay. Compared to I will explain the difference between these two environments. Okay, so you can see the what is BIRT. Okay, the BIRT is a completely open source framework. The built using the Java Eclipse framework. Okay, you can use like free tool as well as for the commercial open like BIRT reporting. Alright. You can see this is like BIRT basic architecture. I said that report designer, right? Eclipse BIRT report designer. You are designing the report using the like BIRT, the first step, okay? The report design engine, right? So that's what I showed in
Bala,
the like example. Hello?
excuse me,
Yeah.
Bala, excuse me, Bala, your voice is not understandable actually. Somewhat.
Hello?
Yeah, it's. I'm able to
Hello?
listen, but it is not clear actually.
Now it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is like a basic BIRT report design. In this report design engine is shown, right? XML report design. Okay, that's what I shown this XML format. Okay, right.
Okay.
It's a backend code. Then custom report designer also you can do it using the like for JavaScript. Okay, right. So once this step is done, we are moving to the like next step that is called like a report engine. What the report engine basically it will do. Here we have like a data transformation service, generation service, presentation service, and charting service. Okay. So what is called data transformation service? You are pulling data from some like external data source, right? Maybe plot file or maybe like database or maybe like from the third party REST call. Okay. So these are the data transformation service from one source to report designer. Okay. Then they are using for the generation service. Okay. What it is called generation service? Generation means for generating the not generating the report for creating preparing for the all respective elements like label, text, and the report header format. Okay, so these are the things we are calling as a generation service. The presentation service means if you are using for like any chart output or table, okay, there are the how you are going to present the data in the report template. Okay, that is called presentation service. Then finally we are moving like exporting the report as a HTML, PDF, XML, this type of format, right? Okay. So this is called basic word reporting architecture. Okay.
Okay.
So there are two phases. One is generation phase, other will be the presentation phase. Okay. So this two phase we are going to see in the detail in the script level. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So next you can see the designer overview in the Eclipse BIRT. So what are the like they have in the framework? You can see the data explorer, navigator, layout view, parent, property editor, script editor. Okay. So what is data explorer and navigator will see? You can see the navigator, right? So we created the project, code layout training. So this is called navigator. Okay. In this outline you are seeing, right? Okay. So this is called data explorer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is called data explorer and layout view. So what is layout view? This is your layout report design, right? This is your report design section. This one we are calling as the layout
Report
view.
design.
Okay. And this is the parent. Like what are the how many components we are going to use for the one particular report. Okay. This is called parent.
Okay.
And next will be the property editor, script editor. Okay. So what is property editor? You can see the script, right? These are all script. We are calling as a script. You can see the mentioned script. Okay. This is for script editor. Okay. So when it will come property editor, when you use any component, you will get the property editor. Okay.
Okay.
So I drag on one text. Okay.
Okay.
So if I go to the properties, These are all my property editor, right? You can see the property editor text box. Okay, these are all my property. Okay, yeah. So you are clear about all the data explorer, navigator, layout view, palette, property editor, script editor. Okay. Okay. So first we will create one report. Okay. Then I will explain all this steps. Okay. So now I'm creating one data source. So what is data source? Basically connecting to the your specific data base. Correct. Here you can see the table option called KDBC data source. 80% of the product like a project will use for the JDBC data source. Okay, so very less. Some of the projects they will use for the script data source. Okay, maybe some of the company they will use for the Excel file also. Okay, they want to design the data report using for the Excel data. Okay, that time we'll choose for the Excel data source. Okay, maybe if they are looking for some kind of XML based input, we'll go for the XML data source. Okay, right. Let's take this XML data source. How we can create the XML data source? Okay. So I'm going to create 3 data source. One will be the XML, other will be the Excel, and the next one will be the database. Okay, I will explain all 3 data sources. Okay. So here you can see the 2 options. One will be the enter URL for XML source, and the other will be the for the schema browser. Okay. If you click absolute path, okay, it will go to your location, your local system directory. Okay. Here I have some of XML files, my local machine. So this is my XML. Okay, just I'm using the XML. So I'm testing the connection. The connection is fast. So next step will I need to create a data set. So what is data set? You made a database, you made a connection, but you want to create your write the query for your specific logic. Okay. So what maybe I connected with the one database, but I need to only for the few of the table, customer table, order table. Okay. So that is called data set. So I'm making as a XML data set. Okay, because I'm using the XML data set. Right here, use the XML defined data source because I already used the data source. I'm using the same one. Right. If I expand, okay, food is my root tag, name, price, description, color. These are all the my you can say like example of table called food. That under the table we have the field name called name, price, description, color. Okay.
Okay.
So here first you have to add the export expression. Okay. Right. So next step you have to add for the your rest of the elements. Okay. This is the string, yes. Price is the string, yes. This is also my string. Description, yes. And color is I'm going to add right. Okay. Show sample data. So these are the my output. Okay, you can see the name, price, description, color. The output is coming from here. Okay, so I can able to see the data. Okay, so my data set is correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. So next we will use for the other data source, kind of Excel data source. Okay.
Okay.
I'm using Excel data source. Click next. Okay. So if you browse, it won't come because choose here, go to the absolute path and select any one file. So maybe I'm selecting transaction details. Excel file. I'm testing the connection. Connection got done. Okay. Right. I'm creating the Excel data set now. Correct. So I'm choosing the Excel data source. So how many fields like customer ID is there, transaction ID, branch ID. Okay. So I selected all the columns. Go to the preview result. So data is extracting here. Correct. Okay. Next we use for the my database connection. You can see the JDBC data source, right? So this is my DB classic model. Okay.
Okay.
So what is my database? It's a MySQL. MySQL, I think you know how we can use for that, right? Driver. Then I'm mentioning my database credential information and changing the rest of the information here.
Okay. That URL will get when we
So
install
what
in
is
the
my
RAM server.
huh?
That URL when we will get once we install the RAM server.
Yeah, once you install a WAM server, you will get it everything. Okay. Right. So my database connection also success. I can finish.
Okay.
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 Now I'm going to write the SQL code. Okay.
Mm.
So here I need to choose the classic one. So select star from, you are a SQL developer, right? Star from customer.
Mm.
Let's click the preview so I can able to see the data. Okay, fine. So come to here. So first I created data source. Okay. So next I
Okay.
insert the query. Okay. So these are all my output columns. Okay. So you can see the computed column. What is computed column? Suppose if you want to add like some kind of like calculation, a plus b is equal to c, something like this, you can use for the computed column. Okay. And
Okay.
next it is called as the parameters. Parameters means passing the value to your input SQL. Okay. That is called parameter. Okay. Filter means filter is not depending upon the parameter level. Filter means you are applying in your data set level one type of like filtering your record like data set. Suppose I need to filter only for the USA customer. Okay, because my report always belongs to only for the USA customer. Okay, so I created one filter here. Okay, so in BRT we have two type of filter. One is static filter, other will be the dynamic filter. Okay.
Okay.
So static filter means you can hard code your value here, okay? And
Okay.
go to the preview result. Come to here. You can see, you can able to see only for the USA record. Okay? I could not able to see the another record. Okay? So if I delete the filter, come to the preview result. So you can see, I can able to see rest of the like all the country customer also. Okay? So this is called
Mm.
filter. Next is called like property binding. Okay. So this one I think we are not using for that. These are like query limitations, okay, and the website everything.
Okay.
And next will be the short column. Maybe I want to short based on the customer number, ascending order. Okay, starting based on the customer number. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
right. So you have any doubts on this?
No.
You are clear, right? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. This video will be shared, right?
I think if Raidu the recording session, he will share it. Okay, because I don't have control for the sharing the recording. Yes, recorded
Okay.
only. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So next we are going to see like layout, master page, print exam also. So in this BRT, okay, the
Mm-hmm.
master page we are calling as a like a report title. Okay,
Okay.
report title means you know right. It will display only one time. Okay, not for the each and everything. So that is called
Okay.
report title. Okay,
Okay.
I am mentioning uh, that for label. I am mentioning like different data source example. Okay,
Okay.
right. So maybe I want to like change the font color or something like this. We can do it. Okay. Uh, so make it as bold font. Okay. So different data source example. Come to the layout. Okay. Right. Now we are going to design the report. We already created data source data set. Now I'm going to use for the one grade. Okay. So one
Okay.
grade three columns. Fine. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to add our okay. So inside the grid, I'm adding my table. Okay.
Okay.
So first step, I'm choosing XML dataset output. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm mentioning as a XML data source. Okay. So next I'm creating like another grid. So this is for my Excel data, right?
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So inside I'm going to use the table Excel data set. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
So final I'm using like a database directly table. I'm adding that customer ID name, phone number, address, and country. Okay. Save and run the reports. Okay.
I think just like that we can add columns to the table, right? Means that
Yes, 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 correct, correct, correct.
we need to drag that one and we need to put it in the table. That's it.
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes, correct. So this was like the example I'm showing. Okay, how we can do that everything. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So if they provide like a template, right?
Mm-hmm.
So based on the template, you have to create your reporting. Okay.
Okay.
Since the data is very high data, so it's taking time to load.
You can star right. Maybe that's the problem.
So my first Excel data source output, XML, Excel, okay, and this is my like table output, okay. So everything I'm getting, right?
Okay.
Okay. So this is like our different data source how we can use Excel, XML, JDBC. Okay. So later we are going to use for another data source also. It's called as a script data source. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think you can just practice this basic level first. Okay. If
Okay.
you like understand this concept, you go for the next topic. Okay.
Yeah.
Other properties. Okay. So if you click the table, you can see the binding, grouping, maps, highlights, sorting, filter. Okay.
Okay.
With this tab, we can do many functionalities. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So I will explain on that. Okay. First, you will understand this. Okay. So otherwise, you will get confused. If I take everything
Yeah.
into one day, you will get confused. Okay.
Yeah. Slowly only we'll go slow pace.
Okay. Okay. So like session is recorded. He will share you that I already shared all the links. Okay. While installing time, if you are getting any problem, okay, I will give you my number also.
Okay.
Give me in WhatsApp. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Okay. So I will
Tomorrow,
help you for the
which time will be joining the session? We'll be taking the session
tomorrow. What time you will be free? After like 9:30.
after 9:30
What
morning time.
time? No, no, no. You're because I'm going to office. Okay. So I will come in morning. It's not possible to take. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
maybe we'll take in the tomorrow morning. I can able to take like half an hour. Okay. Maybe tomorrow I can explain this binding, grouping and all. Okay. Morning like
Okay.
7 o'clock, 7:30 or 7 o'clock. It starts. Okay.
Yeah. You just mail me the timing. Just yeah. I will inform.
Okay.
So I will.
7 o'clock will start at that. Okay. Tomorrow morning will
Okay.
7 o'clock. Okay. So
Okay.
we'll start.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.